everybody, Stephen here with Cannin.com, back to take a deep dive this week with one of the lesser known multi-state operators on the cannabis industry. This one's Cansortium, with most of their offices in Florida. They also do business in markets like Pennsylvania and Texas, Michigan. Let's jump over to the pricing chart and see what we see. So you can see we're looking at the OTC ticker here. This is CNTMF, Cansortium Inc. We're looking at three indicators today. The triple moving average. You can see the yellow-orange color is the short term. The green is the medium term. And the red is our long-term signal here. So let's see what we see. We did see a cross over here. This was a buy signal. That happened in early April. You can see what happened to the price after that. It rocketed up from 78 cents to over $1. Since then, we've had a little bit of intertwining, and then we see our short-term indicator crossed below our long-term indicator. This was a sell signal. We got kind of a teaser weak signal when it crossed the medium time frame indicator, but now we got a strong one when it crossed the longer-term red line here. You can see that happened in early July. Since then, the price was right under $1, and since then it's given back about 25%, down to about 74 cents right now. Currently, the short-term, medium, and long-term are right here, so you can see continued signs of weakness. So we're going to want to watch what happens with this gold line and see if it actually comes back up and crosses. We're also looking at the Awesome Oscillator, very, very similar to the MACD, which we see often as well. Just kind of a visual representation. Remember, here is 0. This horizontal line is 0. So positive, in the positive territory above 0, that's a buy signal. In the negative territory, that's a sell signal. Also watch for slope changes. You can see real fast slope changes as we're dropping price quickly. We kind of plateau out here on the 20th of July, and then it's teetering back and forth. So it's actually getting closer to 0 here now, and just negative 0.074. So we're going to definitely watch for a cross. It should happen before the triple moving averages happen. It should give us a little timing play there, but definitely watch that. Awesome Oscillator also showing weakness. And then we have the CCI, the Commodity Channel Index. A little spin off of this one, but you can see the same sort of mentality here. Positive 100, negative 100 is our blue range here. We've eclipsed that during this big pricing increase. You can see again, we had our cross on the triple moving average on early April. It happened at the same time that we went above 100 into over territory here early April as well. Crossed back below end of April, whereas our signals on the short term didn't cross below the long term into July. So interesting timing here on the CCI when we compare it to the triple moving average. It has been negative, as you would expect, with this price drop. What is it doing now? It just kind of came back within range. About minus 56 right now. So definitely in the weak territory, weak territory, weak territory. But there are some signs that these things are coming back. We are getting some green signals here on the AO. If we see this cross above 0, we may see similar crosses on the Awesome Oscillator, and then the triple moving average will be the really strong tell if we get some crosses there to maybe get some short-term strength. But however, currently short-term weakness is what we see in Cansortium. Check out today's Chronicle to make sure that you can see the fundamental dive and see if it matches up with this technical analysis. Thank you so much, everybody. Happy trading.